Plant FAQs, Tillandsia stricta. Tillandsia stricta, the air plant with pink flare. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of air plants, specifically the Tillandsia stricta. This unique little bromeliad has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts with its easy care and captivating blooms. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Tillandsia stricta. See more 690 species in genus Tillandsia, air plants at monsteraholic.com. What is Tillandsia stricta? Tillandsia stricta, also known as the pink quill or pink blush air plant, is an epiphytic perennial native to South America and Trinidad. Unlike traditional houseplants, Tillandsia stricta doesn't require soil. It thrives by absorbing moisture and nutrients through its specialized leaves, making it a true air plant. This little wonder typically grows to a compact size, around 4 inches in diameter. Its soft green leaves form a rosette, and during bloom time, it produces a stunning pink inflorescence with vibrant violet flowers. Tillandsia stricta versus other air plants. What makes it special? The air plant family is vast and diverse, but Tillandsia stricta stands out for a few reasons. Pink power. One of its most striking features is the vibrant pink inflorescence. This pop of color makes it a standout among the more common green varieties of air plants. Easy care. Tillandsia stricta is known for its forgiving nature. It thrives with minimal attention, making it perfect for busy plant parents. Adaptable. This air plant can tolerate a range of light conditions, from bright, indirect light to some filtered sunlight. This adaptability makes it easier to find the perfect spot in your home. How to care for your Tillandsia stricta. While Tillandsia stricta is low maintenance, there are a few key things to keep in mind to ensure it thrives. Watering. Since it absorbs moisture through its leaves, watering is crucial. The frequency depends on your climate and environment. Generally, soak your Tillandsia stricta for 30 minutes once or twice a week during warmer months and less frequently in winter. Let it dry completely between soakings to prevent rot. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Air circulation. Good air circulation is essential for healthy growth. Consider placing your Tillandsia stricta near an open window or using a fan for gentle air movement. Fertilizing. While not strictly necessary, a light misting with a diluted bromeliad fertilizer every few months can give your Tillandsia stricta a boost during the growing season. How often does Tillandsia stricta bloom? Tillandsia stricta typically blooms once a year, usually in the winter months. Is Tillandsia stricta safe for pets? Yes, Tillandsia stricta is non-toxic to both cats and dogs. Can I grow Tillandsia stricta outdoors? In warmer climates with high humidity, Tillandsia stricta can be grown outdoors in a shaded location. However, it's best suited for indoor environments in most areas. How long does Tillandsia stricta live? With proper care, Tillandsia stricta can live for several years, adding a touch of beauty to your home for a long time. Tillandsia stricta, a touch of pink flair for your home. Tillandsia stricta is a charming and easy-to-care-for air plant that adds a touch of the tropics to any space. Its vibrant pink blooms and unique form make it a conversation starter, while its low-maintenance nature makes it perfect for busy plant lovers. So, if you're looking for a unique and hassle-free addition to your home, consider welcoming a Tillandsia stricta into your life.